Let's learn about obsidian, its meanings, answer your top 5 questions about the stone, and at the end, reveal if you are somebody who could use obsidian's properties. Hi, my name is Sheila Satin, and I'm the co-owner here, along with my sister Lisa, at the Satin Crystals boutique. And today, we're talking all about obsidian. What is obsidian? Obsidian is a rock that forms when lava spews out of a volcano and forms so quickly that there's no time to crystallize. So technically, obsidian is not a mineral, but it is a black volcanic glass. Here you'll see the rough version of obsidian, and if you chipped this open, you'll see that it has a very glassy texture, and then it can be polished into nice shiny pieces like this rainbow obsidian heart. The top 5 questions we're going to answer about obsidian today are: what are some interesting facts about obsidian? What are the different types of obsidian? What are obsidian's healing properties? How can you use obsidian? And can you benefit from obsidian? What are some interesting facts about obsidian? Well, there's a lot of different interesting facts about obsidian, but I'm going to give you 3 here, and the rest you can find on the obsidian meanings page at Satin Crystals. So number 1, when obsidian breaks, it creates a very, very sharp edge. So this has been used since Stone Age, Neolithic times, where humans have used obsidian to create weapons, arrowheads, cutting tools. Even today, surgeons can use obsidian scalpels for very, very precise work. Number 2 is, in popular culture, Game of Thrones, the HBO show, and the book uses obsidian, which they call dragon glass, to defeat their enemies because it is such a sharp stone. And number 3, because of its high luster, it can polish up really shiny like glass. So it has been used as a mirror since ancient times. As you can see, it has a nice reflection of the sky. Maybe you can see me in this reflection here. Yeah. And it's also been in the 1500s, Nostradamus, who was a famous astrologer, physician, and psychic. He used obsidian mirrors for channeling and scrying work. So these obsidian mirrors are still used for psychic exploration today. What are the different types of obsidian? So obsidian is always a black volcanic glass, but depending on what other minerals or inclusions are present during the cooling process, that will determine what the finished variety will look like. So first of all, we have a black obsidian. So black obsidian is very self-explanatory. It's just black, cooled lava without any inclusions in it. There's mahogany obsidian, which has hematite inclusions, which creates this reddish brown effect, making the obsidian look like mahogany wood. There's snowflake obsidian, which has spherulite inclusions, making this grayish white snowflake pattern in the black. This is spiderweb obsidian, which has a bluish gray pattern to it. So each piece has a different webbing within the obsidian. Here you have a midnight lace obsidian. So as you can see, it's a translucent black obsidian with lace-like patterns within the stone. When air bubbles are present during the cooling process of the obsidian, you'll get sheen obsidian. So here we have a silver sheen obsidian and a gold sheen obsidian. Lastly, we have one of the most popular types of obsidian, which is rainbow obsidian. And as you can see, you don't see much of the rainbows until you shine a direct light or put it under sunlight. So we'll put a direct light on it, and you can see all the rainbow shine in the heart and on the bracelets that I'm wearing are all rainbow obsidian. So depending on the piece, you'll have different colors that you'll be able to see within the stone. And this you might have to do with the sheen obsidian as well. It won't immediately show the colors until you put it under direct light. What are obsidian's healing properties? Obsidian has always been known as the protection stone. So here at Satin Crystals, it has been #1 on the protection crystal list for many, many years. And it helps to transmute any negative energies into positive ones, so protecting your aura from other people's unwanted energies. It is also great for your own thoughts. So if you have a lot of negative thoughts creeping in, use obsidian to help you focus on the positive ones instead and keep yourself optimistic. It's also a wonderful manifestation stone. So if you do law of attraction work, use obsidian so that you can draw in the positive energy from the universe. And lastly, you can use obsidian as a grounding stone. So if you are doing any kind of manifestation or metaphysical work like meditation, you want to use obsidian to come back to reality and ground back to this earth. How can you use obsidian? So there's a lot of different ways that you can use obsidian. There's lots of shapes and colors of obsidian that you can use in your healing work. I'm going to give you a few examples, and the rest you can find on the obsidian page at Satin Crystals. So first of all, you can use obsidian tumbled stones, and these you can grid around your space, whether it's your meditation area, your bedroom, your house. You can grid obsidian tumbled stones for protection. You can also use obsidian spheres for gazing and scrying, and this is just like the obsidian mirror we were talking about. You can also use obsidian for releasing any stress and tension and negativity in your body. So you can use an obsidian palm stone, which fits nicely in your palm, just squeeze out any tension that way. Or you can use an obsidian wand, and this is a massage wand here. You can release any tension and let the positive energies flow instead. Another thing you can do is wear obsidian jewelry. So obsidian jewelry is great if you're going out, you're going to face the public. You definitely want your obsidian jewelry so you're not absorbing other people's unwanted energies. Can you benefit from obsidian? If you can relate to any of these following statements, then obsidian should definitely be in your collection. First of all, if you are looking for the most ultimate protection stone, obsidian is for you. If you like to wear the color black, then obsidian's for you as well. If you're mesmerized by sheen and rainbows and different colors within a black stone, then obsidian is for you. If you want a stone that helps you to focus on your positive rather than your negative thoughts, you can use obsidian. If you go out into the public eye, you're working with the public all the time, then you definitely need obsidian. Thanks for watching today. If you have any obsidian questions, comments, or stories, we would love to hear them. Feel free to post here or go to satincrystals.com and you can reach out there. While you are there, remember to join the VIP club and you'll get members only specials throughout the year. Also, subscribe to our channel and you will get more crystal healing videos. As always, thank you for your positive energy at Satin Crystals.